Today's video, I'm going to be replacing the front wheel bearing on this RX 330. Take out the brake line bracket, 12 millimeter. First thing I'm going to do is take out the brake caliper mount, 17 millimeter. Put on each side, pull this cable out. 10 millimeter for the wheel speed sensor. So we'll see if you can hear it. .30 millimeter. .22 millimeter bolt and nut. Two nuts and a bolt holding the lower control arm to the knuckle ball joint, 17 millimeter. .17 Got a ball joint. Got a ball joint tool. And here's your knuckle. To take off the hub, you're going to hammer this inner lip. Here's that inner sleeve that we'll deal with later. But now you got our hub out. Now there's a snap ring. We're gonna go ahead and take that out. Four T30s to hold the splash shield. To pull out the bearing, there's multiple ways you could do it. With this kit, which has a bunch of different bearings plate sizes, since this is what you'll be able to rent from a parts store. It comes with a screw and nut that you can manually do it. The teeth on this one are stripped out, so I can't use it anymore. Or if you have a press, with this it holds the knuckle in different spots. You can move it to where your specific knuckle would be. If I can't get it with the screw and nut, I'm going to end up using the press. If not, you'll have to take it to a shop to have them press out the old bearing and press in the new one. So I got a washer, the respective plate that fits inside the knuckle. On the opposite end, I got the big barrel that's holding this lip. The cap plate that uses the washer and nut to press against. And the bearing's just going to slowly slide into the barrel. So the screw wasn't enough, so we're going to end up using the press. 248809. And here you go. Here's your empty knuckle. And here's your old bearing. And there you go. Now we're going to go ahead and take our new bearing. And then we got to find a plate that touches the outside lip with the 95519. We'll go ahead and press it in. Gonna go ahead and put our snap ring. This 95518 fits perfectly into the dust shield. This hole you're going to line up with the wheel speed hole. Alright, now we can put everything back in. Torque I found online at 94 foot-pounds for these ball joints. $36 foot-pounds. We'll go ahead and bottom out the nut. $217 foot-pounds. And there you go. And that's how you replace a wheel bearing on these Lexuses. Hopefully this video helped y'all. Y'all have a good one.